In this video, I'm going to show you how to unprotect Excel sheets and workbooks. These are 3 ways to unprotect Excel file with password, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump through into it. So if you see right now, you cannot type in the Excel sheet because I have activated to protect the Excel sheet. You cannot add a workbook because I have activated to protect it as well. In order to unprotect the sheet, click on Format, then click on Unprotect Sheet. Now you can go ahead and type whatever you want right there. As you can see, it's now working, but you can not add a workbook in order to add it. Just go ahead to Review tab at the tab, as you can see. Just click on it, then click on Protect Workbook. If you have activated it, you can now add the password that you have done. Just make sure to store the password in a place that you can remember to access it again. You can now add a workbook, as you can see. So this was how to protect and unprotect Excel sheets and workbooks. As you can see, you can do it here. As always, thank you for watching.